In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book multi-city flights on Google Flights. Booking multi-city flights can be a bit of a puzzle, especially if you're trying to optimize your travel schedule without breaking the bank. But fear not, because today I'll walk you through the entire process on Google Flights, making it easy for you to plan your next big adventure. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate to Google Flights. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in https://www.google.com/travel/flights in the address bar or search for Google Flights. Upon reaching the site, you'll notice it has a clean, user-friendly interface designed to make your flight search as smooth as possible. Next, it's time to log in to ensure you have access to all of Google's handy travel tools, and perhaps snag some personalized flight recommendations based on your previous searches and preferences. To do this, look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to choose the Google account you wish to use for this session. If you're like most people with multiple Google accounts for work, personal or other uses, make sure you select the one you prefer for travel planning. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to enter your Google password. Take a moment to type it in carefully to avoid any typos that could slow you down. Following your password entry, simply click Next to proceed. With the login process out of the way, you're ready to get down to the business of booking your flight. However, instead of going the traditional route of booking a round trip, we're going to explore the multi-city flight option, which allows you to fly to several destinations in one trip without having to book separate one-way tickets. First, you'll notice a drop-down menu for choosing the type of flight. It might currently be set to round trip, as this is the usual default selection. Click on this drop-down menu to view the available options. From the drop-down, you'll want to select multi-city. This is a crucial step as it changes the search parameters to accommodate flights to multiple cities. By choosing this, you'll be able to add several legs to your journey, specifying different departure and arrival cities for each segment of your trip. Upon selecting multi-city, you will see the interface update to allow you to add multiple flights. This feature is incredibly useful for planning complex trips, whether you're embarking on a multi-stop business tour or piecing together your dream vacation. The flexibility of adding several cities to your itinerary means you can explore more destinations in a single trip, often at a fraction of the cost it would take to book these flights separately. When adding the details of your multi-city itinerary, take your time to consider the sequence of your destinations, the duration of stays, and how each flight connects to the next. Remember, the goal is to create a seamless travel experience that maximizes your time and budget. Factor in layovers, potential flight delays, and how much time you'd like to spend in each city to ensure your trip is as enjoyable as it is efficient. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to booking multi-city flights on Google Flights. With this knowledge, you're now equipped to plan multi-city trips with ease, unlocking a world of travel possibilities. Whether you're hopping from city to city in Europe, exploring diverse landscapes across Asia, or planning an epic journey that spans several continents, Google Flights multi-city search is your ticket to an unforgettable adventure. Be sure to play around with dates and destinations to find the best deals and optimize your travel schedule. And, as always, keep an eye out for special offers and flexible ticket options to ensure that your travel plans remain adaptable. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide helps you confidently navigate the process of booking multi-city flights, making your next big trip not just a dream, but a well-planned reality. Safe travels, and until next time, happy exploring.